Did you know a WWII pilot once survived bailing out of his plane right into an erupting volcano? Picture this, 1944 Papua New Guinea. Pilot Henry Hank E. Brown's bomber is shot down. He ejects, parachuting straight into the boiling crater of Mount Lamington. Miraculously, he lands on a narrow ledge inches from certain death, surrounded by toxic fumes and molten rock. Against all odds, he climbs out, battered but alive. The odds? Astronomical. The story? Absolutely real. Sometimes truth is stranger than fiction. Subscribe for more videos.